What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to play music without iTunes on your iOS device. Yes, it's possible, and you just need an app and file manager to download all these musics, and you can make a playlist in your device as well. So let's not waste time and let's go to the process. I'll show you step by step how to do it, and hopefully it's gonna help you to save your time. Then you can just straight away download the music and play it. Let's begin. First, you have to go to your phone settings. Then find Safari browser in your setting. After going to your Safari browser, go to Downloads. On Downloads, it's the default setting iCloud. Move it to on my iPhone setting. Select the download folder and press done. Exit the setting now and go to the Safari web browser. Go to youtube.com. Search any royalty-free music, any music you like, but make sure it's royalty-free because you're not allowed to download any illegal music. Copy the link. Now search for YouTube to MP3 on your address bar. Go to the first link, youtube to mp3music.com. Paste the link on their bar and press go. From the drop menu, you can select what quality you want for the music, which is the best quality you can get is 328 kbps, which is the best, 320 kbps, and then you got other formats like WebM, MP4. So I'm just doing it 128 to show you how to do it. Now you can press download. And then go to your main menu, go to file manager, go to download. So now you can see the music has already been downloaded. So all you have to do now is go to Ever Music and go to On My Phone. Go to songs, go to add, then download and add the song you have. There you go. Now you successfully added a song into your playlist. Now you can play the song from that. This is how you don't need any iTunes or any other software to put music on your iPhone or iOS devices. With just this simple process, you can actually download as many music as you want and make your own playlist and play it, and it's gonna work same as iTunes. Thank you very much, and hopefully it's gonna help you a lot. Thank you.